Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact the Razer customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the quickest and easiest way to do this is head to a website called pissconsumer.com. So go ahead and click into pissconsumer.com. Once you're inside here, you want to click on the search bar located at the top of their website and then type in Razer, like so. And now click on Razer. It's got 750 reviews, time of recording. And then from here, you want to scroll down and then you want to see a part where it says reviews, Q&A, and contacts. Go ahead and click on contacts. Now this is going to take you to the contact page of Razer inside Piss Consumer. And here we go here. So there's a toll-free number, which is 855-872-5233, time of recording. So you can put that in your phone, or you can simply click on call customer service and that will dial that out for you. Or if you would like to send an email, you can send a message by sending a message here and say you'd like to reach out to their customer support team and they'll put you in the right direction.